Good morning students, welcome to my class. In today's video, we are going to talk about chapter number 2 from the book Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is The Thief's Story, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Now I have prepared this small PowerPoint presentation for you all so that you can understand the story in a better way. Now let us move on to the next slide and find out what are the topics we are going to cover in today's class. Now the content of this PowerPoint presentation are: we are going to learn about the author, we are going to learn about the appropriateness of the title or justification of the title, next about the main theme, and then the main characters. Now let us move on to the very first slide and learn about the author. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in 9th May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Lander, Missouri, India. The Indian Council of Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded with the Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novels in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 1999 and Padma Bhushan in the year 2014. Now, in the next slide, we have the appropriateness of the title, or why the title, The Thief's Story, has been given by the author. The title of this chapter, that is The Thief's Story, is appropriate as it is about the petty thief Hari Singh, who was merely 15 years, but he was a successful one. So, the entire story revolves around Hari Singh and his journey. So therefore, the story is about his transformation when he met Anil. After being employed by a struggling artist, Hari Singh learns to read and write. So as the story starts with Hari Singh and his transformation and how he changes from a thief and then to a better human being is what is the story all about. And therefore, The Thief's Story, the title, is absolutely appropriate and it has been justified. Now in our next slide, we have the main theme, or what is the theme on which this story is based on. So the story, The Thief's Story, that is written by Ruskin Bond, is based on friendship. Now the friendship here has been the friendship between Hari Singh and that of Anil. Betrayal, that is how Hari Singh betrays Anil. Aspiration, that is how Anil is an aspiration for Hari Singh. The connection or the bond between Hari Singh and Anil. Next we have the trust that is shown by Anil to Hari Singh. The guilt, that is how Hari Singh, he, despite being a thief, he robs Anil, but then also he cannot board the train and he cannot escape from that place because he feels guilty. The change, that is the transformation of Hari Singh from a thief to a better human being. The kindness or the large-heartedness that has been shown by Anil towards Hari Singh. The loyalty, the revenge, and the honesty. So all these are the themes that this story is based on. But the main theme is that on the fact that how love and kindness can transform even the most destructive minds of criminal and thief in this cruel world. So you see, the transformation is about, the story is about the transformation, that how even the destructive minds also, when shown kindness and love and faith and belief, that person can also change. Now in our next slide, we have the main characters. So the very first character that we have is of Hari Singh, or the thief. So Hari Singh is a small thief or a petty thief. His real name is his real name is not Hari Singh, because we know that he keeps on changing his name in order to escape the police and his previous employers. His modus operandi, that is the medium or the method that he approaches in order to steal, is that at first he earns the trust of the people and then he robs them and then finally he flees. Hari Singh is delighted when Anil starts teaching him to write and to read, as he plans to rob on a larger scale. So we find that Hari Singh is highly excited when Anil starts teaching him how to read and write, because there he says that once he starts how to read and write, then his achievement will have no limitation. Hari steals a little money daily when he goes to buy the daily groceries, and one day he gets a chance to steal money from Anil and runs away. But at the station he has a change of heart and comes back. He is now happy and contented to live with Anil. So Anil's large heartedness changed this boy, that is Hari Singh, and finally he lives with Anil despite he getting a very small scale of salary from Anil, but still he is very happy as he is satisfied with his life. In the next slide, we have the last character sketch of Anil. Now, Anil is another very important character. Anil, he is a kind, simple and easygoing man. He is tall, lean stature, and his interest is there in sports like wrestling. He is not very rich and cannot afford to employ Hari, where we find that because his earning is not regular. He earns, sometimes he earns, sometimes he borrows, so therefore he just cannot afford to keep Hari Singh. He has the patience and goodness to not only teach Hari Singh to cook, but also how to read and write and add numbers. Though he knows that Hari is stealing of little bits of money from the groceries, he ignores this fact, where here we can understand the large heartedness of Anil, that Anil is a very, very large hearted person. He teaches Hari not only to cook but also how to add numbers. Anil is a writer who writes for magazines and makes money in fits and starts, that is irregular basis. He is a very trusting person, because despite knowing that Hari Singh was cheating him, but still he never ever fails to trust Hari Singh. So with this we come to this end of this PowerPoint presentation. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you and have a good day.